What's up, everybody? This is Rachel Warrell. I'm a real estate agent here in the Panama City Beach area. And today I want to make a video explaining the various parts of Panama City Beach and what they offer. So this video is for anyone who's not familiar with Panama City Beach, but would like to invest in either a vacation home or an income generating rental property. So I'm specifically talking about what the locals call Front Beach Road. And this is the section of 98 that runs directly in front of the Gulf of Mexico. And so if you hear a local say Front Beach Road, no, that's what they're talking about. The road that runs directly in front of the Gulf of Mexico. I like to break this area into three separate territories. The first being the east side. So the east side has gone through an incredible transformation as of late. Panama City Beach has been working very hard to get away from its party city spring break image and really attract a more family-friendly vacation demographic. So the East End has St. Andrews State Park. It's also where a lot of the older condos are located, and they were built in the 70s or 80s. And what makes these buildings special is because they're not the high-rise new construction condos, these condos have a lot more intimate view of the Gulf of Mexico. And it's a really quiet, relaxing, peaceful area to vacation. It's also an area where you can invest in a lower price point, and some of these condos haven't been updated since the 70s or 80s. So with a little renovation, a little TLC, you can transform these condos into modern, adorable vacation homes or vacation rental properties. Now, the second area I'd like to talk about runs along from the east into the west Pier Park, really. So this is where all the newer construction condos are. They're high-rise. A lot of them were built post-2006, so they have the hurricane glass, and they offer a lot of in-house amenities. Depending on the building, some of them have indoor pools or outdoor pools, movie theaters, in-house restaurants, and they're closer to all of the attractions like Pier Park or the Panama City Beach sports complex. So they're very appealing to the vacationer that wants to be right in the middle of all the action and close to all the local attractions. Now, the third area is an area that is west of Pier Park, and it's outside of the Panama City Beach city limits. So the zoning restrictions aren't as strict, and I like to call this area the Wild West because really, as far as vacation rentals, you're not limited as far as your rental term lengths, which makes this an interesting and alluring part of Panama City Beach for anyone who wants to have an Airbnb or a VRBO. It's golf cart friendly. There aren't any high-rise condos on this end of the beach. So it's very old school Florida. It's very peaceful. And it really is a nice area for anyone who's looking for a quiet end of the beach, away from all the hustle and bustle of Pier Park, as a vacation home, a primary residence, or even as a short-term vacation rental. So I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, if there's anything in the world I can do to help you, feel free to direct message me, call me. I'm available anytime, 850-896-5899. And I love to discuss your upcoming real estate plans. Also, comment down below and tell me which part of Panama City Beach you find most appealing and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.